What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn another popular TikTok song on the uke, which is Supalonely by Benee featuring Gus Dapperton on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here, so you can skip ahead to the chords or the strumming if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. This is going to be your best friend, so if you want to skip ahead, I don't blame you, but if you want to sit through the entire video, I would love you forever. But with that being said, let's get into the chords that we need for this song. So this song is pretty simple in that it only has 3 chords, and those chords are A minor 7, E minor 7, and last but not least, G major 7. So if you're like, Ricky, I know those 3 chords, let's move on to the strumming. I got you. Again, skip to section right here. You can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. Also, I will say that I did do a full play along for this song, which I will link in the top of the comments and also in the description when it goes live, so definitely come back and wait for that. The play along basically just consists of the lyrics and chords on screen while I sing and strum the entire song, so it's easy for you to play along. That's why I guess it's called a play along video. So again, everything will be linked in the description and in the top comments when that video goes live, so come back and check on this channel when it does. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing like a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, I don't know those chords, please help me. This is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on where to put our fingers for each chord on the uke, and then we're going to talk about strumming. So if you're like, I need to learn these chords, let's go ahead and learn them right now. But before we talk about chords, let's quickly talk about how we number the strings and the frets. And if you're like, I didn't know that we number the strings and the frets, this section is for you because it's going to be a lot easier for you to understand the chords and the finger positioning once you get this down. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, that's going to be the 1st string. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. So now let's go ahead and look at our fretboard. And as you can see, you have these lines right here. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So make sure you feel really comfortable with the numbering of the strings and the frets. If you do need a little bit more time, make sure to press the pause button right now. Take a look at your uke and be like, all right, I got the strings down, I got the numbering of the frets down, I got this. Press play, and now let's talk about where to put our fingers for each chord on the uke coming up. Alright, so let's talk about the 3 chords that we need for this song. As always, I will be putting a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers right here next to me. I feel like it's just a lot easier when you can visually see where to put your fingers and then having me talk you through it. So let's talk about the 1st chord, which is the A minor 7. And this one is a super simple one because literally you take your fingers off the uke. You don't put them on the fretboard. It just opens strings for all 4, and it should sound like this. Pretty easy. The next chord that we need is the E minor 7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. So you have your fingers just kind of like this on both of those strings, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G major 7 chord, and again, this is a very simple one where you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the bottom 3 strings, which is the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the 3 chords that you need for this song. Again, if you do need a little bit more time, make sure to press the pause button and get really comfortable with where to put your fingers for each chord and making sure that it sounds clear. If you do hear sort of a muted sound, that basically just tells you that you're not putting enough pressure on the strings. So just add more pressure and just really press down on the fretboard and on the strings, and we'll have a clearer sound. So now that we just talked about the chords, let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we made it to the strumming portion of this video. I'm going to teach you 3 different ways that you can play this song. All 3 sound amazing. One is just with strumming. The second one is a strum and a chuck. And the last one is just with down strum. So let's talk about the first one, which is just the strumming. So let's put our G major 7 chord down. And it's just going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. So the second way that we can play this song is with the strum and chuck. So we're going to put our G major 7 chord down, and it's just going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's do that one more time in 3, 2, 1. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And if you're like, Ricky, I really want to learn how to chuck, but I don't know how to do it. Basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be strumming all the strings, and then you're going to be muting all 4 strings as soon as you strum down with the palm of your hand. Sort of this meaty portion right here is going to mute all the strings. So you're going to strum down. Oh, that was really terrible. You're going to strum down and then mute the strings. So strum, mute the strings. So again, it's just going to be, when you do it quicker, it's just going to be. So the strum is definitely going to take a little bit of practice, but you definitely will get it. So again, you're just going to strum all the 4 strings and then mute with the palm of your hand. So the third and final way that you can play this song is just with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, you just strum down. So again, I will have the lyrics and chords, all of the full lyrics and chords in the description, so you can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. That is my gift to you. So again, when you see a chord change, you just strum down. So it's gonna be like la 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 la, la 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 la. I'm so lonely, I'm a lonely chick. La 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 la, la 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 la, I'm so lonely. So literally, it will sound just as awesome with the down strum if you don't feel comfortable strumming and singing just yet. But definitely try and progress and try to push yourself to do the strumming as well, and you will sound just awesome. But down strumming, always a great option. Alright, so that is it. Congratulations, you now know how to play Supalonely by Benee and Gus Dapperton on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do love hanging out, learning new music, and just relaxing for 10-15 minutes. It really does make my day, and hopefully you got something out of it. And whether that be learning music or just hanging out. I know some people don't even play the uke and they watch these videos just to kind of relax. I guess I have a relaxing vibe for me, but I don't know. Was that English? I don't know. We'll see. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and also I do want to shout out Lava Ukulele for making such a beautiful, unique looking uke. Again, this will be linked in the description if you want to get this for yourself. Highly recommend this uke. One, the look of it is so freaking cool. You can actually also sort of control the sound. I don't know if you can see it with the lights, but you can control the volume, delay, reverb, chorus, all that stuff. It's basically an amp built into this uke, so it's really freaking cool. If you guys do want to see a full video dedicated to this uke and all the functions, let me know in the comments below. But again, if you do want to cop this uke for yourself and you want to get it, link will be in the description below so you can go get it for yourself, and highly recommend. It does come in a bunch of different colors, and it has a really nice weight to it and a really cool look to it. So Lava U, thank you so much for making such an awesome uke. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.